esimnyama nyikani sakebhula umhlaba zawubukisa phansi naphezulu. Iyo Jose siyabulela esimnyama nyikani sakebhula umhlaba zawubukisa phansi naphezulu. Iyo Jose siyabulela.
He came as a stranger, a name unfamiliar, a face unknown, a coach from foreign shores stepping into a club burdened by expectation and desperate for a new dawn. But football is not written in first chapters. It is forged in resilience, in belief, in the fire of those who refuse to be defined by doubt. Jose Rivero, a man once questioned, now a name etched into the history of Orlando Pirates. In just 3 seasons, he has turned doubt into dominance. He has shattered ceilings, conquered giants, and built a team that is no longer just feared in South Africa, but across the continent.
You've never really had an Orlando Pirates that has been reassembled, a new generation that can really hold their own. This is an Orlando Pirates that can definitely compete.
But now, whispers in the wind, the same man who rebuilt this fortress, could he be leaving?
Sithathile MTN8 abantu kufanele baqale babheke izinto ezigudi before babheka i-bad things ne kufanele simsupport ucoach wethu ukuthi angagive up.
This is Bucs Camp, the coach, the story of a leader, the story of a revolution, the story of Jose Rivero.